I used IMS also.
IMS.
And for me, the biggest stressor used to be GD.
And I remember GD where I had figured out this one thing.
I don't know where that inspiration came from. I said, in the,
You came from Bahrain. You were there
Mm-hmm.
because of your dad's posting. Then you came to small time Kerala, and you had already mentioned that okay, is sabse karna hai. How did you prepare for it? If no one else was preparing for it, how did you find?
So I think I moved to Chennai for a bit because there was nothing available. So I think I had to move to a larger city to actually prep because the question you asked is right. I mean, there was literally nothing. I just decided on it, and I think I spent like about 3 months in Chennai to sort of prepare. And then you had those IMS.
yes,
It was tough.
IMS. I used IMS also
IMS.
to
Ha
prepare.
ha ha
Yeah,
ha.
yeah. So
Kya
they
tha
sent
IMS?
those. So
Sounds
they sent.
familiar. I've forgotten.
Yeah, yeah.
हाँ
So
हाँ
I
ये ऐसे
think
पेपर आते थे यार ऐसे बड़ा
back in
बंडल
1997, like I paid like 3,500 rupees or kuch paisa, and then they used to like it was they sent us some material in the mail. I zeroed down into two books. One was a 100 page ka math book and 100 page ka vocab book. I think for 3 months I must have put in like 7 or 8 hours every day for 90 days.
या
That
इट
was
वाज
my
मेनली
yeah.
आईएमएस एंड देन फिर मुझे लास्ट आई वाज फीलिंग लिटिल नर्वस यार पता नहीं कुछ होगा या नहीं सो देन आई थिंक फॉर दैट लास्ट couple of months I moved to Chennai and joined one
So
career
Chennai, were
plan.
your parents easy with it? They were happy to send you to
No,
Chennai कि मेरी बेटी
you
IIM
can't.
जाएगी.
No, because you can't stay in a hostel. लड़के ऐसे hostel में नहीं रहते. So then we
Mhm.
went and stayed in some aunt's place and all that.
But you were driven enough कि मेरे को तो IIM
Yeah.
जाना है.
Mhm.
So
Yeah,
I'm
yeah. At
going
that
three
point, I think actually
three
moving
months.
to Chennai made all that difference because you're living in this house with this uncle who's frowning at you. And then I said, listen, हर हालत में I will study and get out of this.
And then you got a lot of calls. या सिर्फ
Hmm.
कहाँ से
Hmm.
calls आई?
No, I got ABCL. I did not convert A, बाकी सब convert हो गया.
ABCL. And then interview prep कैसे किया?
Interview prep, I think, like the rest of us, we all sat, a lot of us friends got together and then we would just sort of be interviewers for the other. किसी के घर में या ऐसे ही in one of these places only we would meet and do these mock interviews. How did you
Right.
guys do it?
मुझे
I
तो
thought
याद
That's a
everyone
नहीं
did
है
it.
long.
but एक GD होता था जो अब apparently from what we heard a
हाँ.
few episodes back from Saurabh Mukherjee इसकी अभी GD है ही नहीं. And for me the biggest stressor used to be GD. यार
Yeah,
इतने सारे लोगों के साथ
seriously.
आर्ग्यू करना है कैसे उस मैंने सिर्फ जीडी के लिए प्रेप किया था. इंटरव्यू के लिए क्या था कि यार बता देंगे जो पूछेंगे, मतलब छुपाना थोड़ी ना है.
Correct. And I remember GD where I had figured out this one thing. Sometimes what happens if there's a topic that you have no idea about कि क्या बोल रहे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा because that is a possibility तो क्या करो just be quiet for some time and then summarize other people's points.
That was
I think
exactly
that's a
my approach. मैम
yeah yeah
that's what someone told me. I was like ठीक है यार ये वाला रोल हमारे लिए बेस्ट है
yeah हाँ
कि
correct
एंड में
correct
समराइज कर देंगे. एंड आई यूज्ड टू टेक एट दैट टाइम
हाँ
अ पेन एंड अ नोटबुक कि सब उसने ये बोला एंड इमीडिएटली टाइमर लगा दिया 5 मिनट पहले. ओके
हाँ
फ्रेंड्स ये करें. आई थिंक हम सब आई एम बैंगलोर यही चक्कर में
yeah
ये
yeah
सारे
yeah
समराइज करने में ही पहुंच गए हैं. मुझे
so
आई
and
कैन
I
सी विक
remember
वर यू आल्सो द समराइजर.
I actually did not prepare for group discussion or interviews, but I remember going to a group discussion. It was like start, and everybody started running,
yeah
Yeah.
like 100 meter race. And
correct
I
correct
think,
correct
I think the reason I got selected into IIM Bangalore, one of the guys said 5 minutes into that, like we can all see, everybody is just fighting here to get their word in. We have achieved nothing. I don't know where that inspiration came from. I said, no, we have achieved a lot. Look, this is what we have done here in the
and summarization.
Okay, so
and
you were
summarize.
selected based on a positive outlook person कि यार ये बहुत ही
Based on the positive outlook that this guy, yes, that
Yeah.
and I don't know like where that came from, but I think that's what got me the I'm Bangalore call. That oh
No,
look, we have done
I
so
quite
much, we
that
have
just
achieved so
from
much.
what Rashmi said. I got reminded कि मैं भी समराइजर था कि यार 2-3 टॉपिक पढ़ लिए थे एंड देन वी यूज्ड टू बी कि चल यार नहीं होगा तो कोई बात नहीं बाकियों का सुन के समराइज कर देंगे.
करेक्ट करेक्ट एंड आई रिमेंबर वन ऑफ देम सेइंग कोई एक क्लास में हम लोग गए थे कहीं तो प्रिपेयर करने के लिए सो दैट पर्सन सेज हर हालत में लड़ाई मत करना डू नॉट गेट इनटू अ पॉलिटिकल डिस्कशन ये बहुत लाइक लड़ाई यार पता चले दो सेंटेंस दो शब्द बोल पाए बहुत बड़ी बात है लड़ाई एंड ऑल बहुत दूर की बात है